Well, here we are at the Glasshouse Country Kitchen, and we've gone ahead. I'm here with Sandwich on camera, and then there's myself, and we've gone ahead and bought the $20 cod calamari chips and drink deal, which is a great deal, really. Let's open this up and have a look. There's the 2 drinks. You get cans. I'm a pig. You didn't expect me to do that gracefully, did you? Look at that. That's a lot of food. That's a great deal for $20. Shoestring fries, calamari. Let's have a look at the fish. Okay, first I'll try a chippy. Wow, those shoestring fries are delicious. You know what? I'm going to have another. Whoa. All right. Now let's look at the fish. Those chips are to die for. Let's try the crumb. Well, look at that. That's beautifully cooked fish in there. You can see, and the crumb is delish looking. Let's try it. That is delightful. Now let's try the fish. Whoa, so hot. Oh, the fish is delicious too. All that's left to do is the lemon test. Well, wait a minute. Let's try them both together. Getting ahead of myself, I am. Whoa. Together it's delightful. All right, let's try the lemon test. Get on there, lemon. Oh. Whoa. Yeah, with the lemon. That's a real winner. You know what? That's a great deal. If you ever want a good deal, the $20 cod, calamari, and chips and drink deal down at the Glasshouse Country Kitchen, and tell them Pig sent you. I don't think they'll have a clue, but ask them anyway. Over and out.
Oh yeah, Pig's Kitchen, where the reviews are finger licking. Oh yeah.